the price of iPhone SE2 will pleasantly surprise you. The release of the original iPhone SE in early 2016 showed that Apple is able to surprise. After all, until that moment everyone believed that only Chinese manufacturers can produce inexpensive and advanced in terms of characteristics smartphones. Yes, although the iPhone SE was cool, it still did not reach the flagship, but it was not required of it. Rather, it was a bit of a fan service for fans of compact smartphones, which at that time were no longer in the lineup. And the price of $399 was needed so that much more people could afford it. In this sense, the iPhone SE2 will not be particularly different from the original. The second generation iPhone SE, which is scheduled to launch in the spring of 2020, will be much more similar to the original model than we originally intended. No, Apple will not keep the 4-inch form factor, betting on the design of a more modern iPhone 8, but it implements one of the main features of the original model in the upcoming novelty. This was reported by MacRumors, citing analyst at TF International Securities Ming-Chi Kuo, whose forecasts tend to come true. Apple will evaluate the new product at least $449 per version in the basic configuration, then, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, this figure will not exceed $399. Exactly the same Apple once evaluated the original iPhone SE. Then this amount looked pretty attractive. Needless to say, about the current times, when for many it became commonplace to pay $1,000 or more for the flagship smartphone.